Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preheating the oven to 175 degrees C and lining your 12-cup tin so you can bake immediately. Measure ingredients accurately: 200 g flour, 150 g sugar, 115 g butter, 2 eggs, 120 ml milk, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Once done, cream butter and sugar until light. Add eggs one at a time so the emulsion stays stable. Fold dry ingredients in 2 additions to avoid overworking the gluten. Once your cups are filled to 2/3, place the tray into the center rack and set a 16-20 minute bake time. Ovens vary, so use the skewer test at 16 minutes. While baking, rotate the tray once at 10 minutes to ensure even browning. This prevents domed, uneven cupcakes. If batter sinks slightly when poked, continue in 2-minute increments. If tops brown too fast, lower rack or tent foil. Make adjustments now so final texture stays tender and crumb structure is consistent. Once cupcakes come out, cool them 10 minutes in the tin to set the crumb, then transfer to a rack for 30 minutes so frosting won't melt. You can make a simple buttercream or cream cheese frosting, whip to medium peaks, then pipe with a 1M tip for a classic swirl. If tops crack or sink, that indicates overmixing or too high heat. Adjust by reducing oven temp 5 to 10 degrees next batch and fold batter gently. Make sure to store appropriately so texture and flavor stay fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.